Good evening. Back to a rather more sedate form of motoring, careful on the roads, particularly in counties Down, Armagh and Antrim, although the heavy rain is probably on the roads. Now that heavy rain, which came from this lime green blob, went over Northern Ireland, is now affecting the southwest and the western side of Scotland. It may well regenerate. As you can see, there is still more rain to come for Northern Ireland. Further south, we've seen this bodily eastward movement that we've been waiting for all day, and indeed, as the rain cleared, so the cloud has cleared, and there's, I should think, a couple of hours of sunshine in Cornwall and Devon just before dusk. Now that's on this frontal band, so the chart changes from this to something not that dissimilar, it must be said, by tomorrow lunchtime. If we move the rain, both bands of rain, slowly eastwards overnight, you'll notice that everywhere's likely to get a bit of a dampening, probably not much rain left in the east by the time it gets there, and the winds die in between these two bands of rain, so a chance for temperatures to drop nearer 3 degrees, though I think we should avoid a frost. It's been a pretty cold day anyway on the eastern side of England, but return of strengthening winds and slightly higher temperatures with this rain will edge eastwards, end up with this position by lunchtime on Friday. So the morning rain then, Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest, still a tail end I think in eastern Scotland and the Northern Isles, possibly even England, otherwise largely dry and bright with a chance of a break for a bit of sunshine, but the best sunshine's got to be after the rain has gone through, I suspect. There's the afternoon position before dusk. Again, the rain's moved into central southern England, up through the spine of England and into western Scotland. Nice sunshine for Northern Ireland is forecast for tomorrow afternoon. One or two blustery showers may be coming in towards the southwest, but the worst of the winds should have gone by then, as you can see from these figures. So temperatures slightly higher in the east, and with the winds slowly dying, it won't feel quite as cold in East England or even eastern Scotland, and it's technically nearly mild further west and further north. Well, there's Saturday, spot the difference. Tighter isobar, so it is going to be windy, and that applies throughout the weekend, and with fronts around it's not going to be dry either.